update. Today, unfortunately, we are going to sell Papa Smurf. Yes, that is right. The blue Ford is going to a new home today. So we are headed to Martinsville, Indiana to meet the guy. And he's going to hand us the cash. And we are going to build something different, better. And, you know, this truck was great. I love this truck. It's been a lot of fun. It's just that, you know, I get bored with things and I want to build something different. So that's just all there is to it. I'm going to build something different. So hopefully not a 6.0 Power Stroke. I love 6.0s, don't get me wrong. Anybody who has one, kudos to you. I love them, but that's all I've had. I've had 3 of them. I want something different. So we're going to go a totally different route with this next build. And I'm not even totally sure what we're going to do yet, but anyways, yeah, this is the last drive in the blue Ford. So stay tuned, guys. You know, if he doesn't end up buying it, then you won't ever see this video. But if he does, you know, we may be going to look at another truck today, and I will include that in the video if so. I got my buddy Riley back there following me up to Martinsville. So stay tuned. I will let you guys know how it goes. Peace. Peace out, Papa Smurf. Deuces. Alright guys, so stay tuned for the next build. It will be epic. Catch you in the next one.